Did you know, people who do cardio often end up eating more right after their workout compared to those who lift weights? Sounds surprising. Well, today, let's settle the age-old debate: cardio versus weightlifting. Which one is better for your body, your muscles, and your overall progress? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which training method is best for your fitness goals, and the truth might not be what you expect. Cardio. Cardio, like running, cycling, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or swimming, is fantastic for your heart health, stamina, and burning calories. But here's the catch: cardio tends to increase your appetite. Your body uses up glycogen, which triggers hunger signals, so you might feel hungrier after a cardio session. If you're not mindful, you can easily eat back the calories you just burned. Cardio is great for improving endurance and losing fat, but it doesn't really build muscle. In fact, doing too much cardio without strength training can lead to muscle loss, leaving you lean but not necessarily toned. Weightlifting. On the other hand, weightlifting does something amazing: it builds muscle. The more muscle you have, the higher your metabolism, even when you're resting. That means you burn more calories 24/7, not just during your workout. Plus, lifting weights shapes your body, giving you that toned, strong look many people are after. And here's the kicker: weightlifting doesn't usually spike your hunger the way cardio does. In fact, some studies show it may even suppress appetite temporarily. So it's often easier to stick to your nutrition goals. Which one is better? The truth is, it depends on your goals. If you want endurance and cardiovascular health, cardio is essential. If your main goal is to build muscle, boost metabolism, and reshape your body, weightlifting is king. The best results often come from combining both, but if you had to pick one for physique and long-term body transformation, weightlifting usually wins. Fun fact: did you know that afterburn from weightlifting can keep your metabolism elevated for up to 48 hours after your workout, while cardio burns calories mostly only while you're moving? So, cardio versus weightlifting. The winner really depends on what you want, but for muscle growth and long-term progress, lifting weights has the edge. My advice: mix both for the ultimate results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who always debates about cardio versus lifting.